Hello everyone, I'm Abhijit. Welcome to lesson 2 of the Dead Easy Python tutorial. Today we will be typing our first piece of code and learning about variables. Using variables will be taught in the next lesson. So let us start by opening up our code editor here, that is PyCharm. Here I have an untitled project. First off, I'm going to tell you about the print function. The print function helps us to write something or display anything we want in the console area. This is the console area here. So let us start by typing print here in the code editor, and then we can write anything we want. But remember, it should be enclosed within circle brackets and double quotes. And then we will type hello world and run. Or we can just use the shortcut Shift plus F10. This is the most basic function in Python, and it is used to give a title to a code which you have written. Another important thing that we can do with the print function is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let us add 2 and 2 here. One important thing to be noted here is that if you want to perform operations like addition, you should exclude the double quotes. So we will type print circle bracket and within it 2 plus 2, and then we hit run. Just like that, we not only learnt how to code but also learnt how to perform operations with numbers. You can also perform operations like 2 into 2, which is showcased here. So now let us try to solve a BODMAS sum, that is 5 plus 2 in brackets into 3. We get 7 into 3, that is 21. That's brilliant. You have learned to code in Python. Now we will learn about variables. So to make things easier, think of a variable like a pot, and the water the pot contains is the value that the variable holds. Variables are very important to be able to code easily in Python. We will learn how to use variables in the next lesson of Learn Python in a dead easy way.